our captain said we cannot go back yet because obviously it's raining. We are all soaked like crazy.
Si quieres te la saco, dos tragos y sabes que me pongo bellaco. No somos nada, pero estamos envueltos hace rato.
We are in Cancun. Look at this, you can see a sick sunset right here.
Oh no, you guys have the lagoon view. Yeah.
This is a nice view. I'm not
Still nice.
Yeah, I'm not complaining. In case I forget to record later, so they have like these experiences right here where you can kind of do like restaurants, checking in, and so on, and then little apps that you can like sign up for to set up dinners and do a beach club service, whatever. There's activities program, as I mentioned, activity and where it's at, and then location.
너를 위한 멜로디 네가 뮤지니까 잘 들어봐 play it 사실 말이지 since 17 널 지켜봤지 말을 못했을 뿐 저기 네 졸리면 돌아 눈을 뜰 수가 없잖아 혹시 너도 같은 맘이 지는 나는 궁금해 네가 좋으니까
What up, y'all? So we are at the beach right now. Dinner, some drinks. Check out a little bit of beach water. What we call it night for night one. Say an intro, man. Don't just make nonsense.
What's up, guys? We're out here in Cancun, Paradiso.
Hey guys!
A few moments later.
We're gonna go to Isla Mujeres today. On the boat, I'm gonna probably bring my drone. Just getting ready. So we're gonna down to Aquaguero after this, and then really check out the island, and we'll see you in the next part.
보고 싶은 생각에 들어간 우리 창에 나는 말을 꺼낸데 보내지는 않을래 느린 한마디보다 조용함이 더 좋아 기다리고 있지만 매일 그런 건 아니야.
So of course they sell like a ton of stuff. For some reason there's tons of pharmacies too. Pharmacies, they're straight up selling you like everything out here. Yeah, like Vargas, Yalis, I don't even know. So then I was like, what's going on here? Buy 80 USD and get a special gift. That's insane. Guys, I do not recommend buying any kind of drugs out in like this. It's hella sketchy. You know? Get your pharmacy drugs from a local pharmacy that you know and trust.
난 재미없어 게임 같은 건 다 필요 없어 아무리 좋아도 너. A few moments later.
This is kind of place, as you see, raining, storming, thundering. Alright, so we're about to head out and look at, they hit a monsoon. Cancun monsoon. So our captain said we cannot go back yet because obviously it's raining. We are all soaked like crazy wet. The whole family's wet. So we're gonna wait out the monsoon, get back and have some dinner, and yeah, that was Isla Mujeres. We went kind of late, so I don't know if it's worth it, but yeah guys, definitely go earlier next time. We're gonna go check out Isla Mujeres because obviously it's one of a very beautiful island. Except for a ton of people trying to sell us illegal pharmacy drugs. But right now, as you see, it's storming. Yeah, so we're about to literally ride it out in the rain right now. This is crazy. Oh my god. Alright.
3 hours later.
What's up guys? So we just got changed, shower, go get some dinner. The Japanese restaurants included in Paradisus. Today was a great day. We started the part where a bird kind of hit my drone and that sucked. I got bit by a fish too, which is really unfortunate. I have some drinks tonight and hang out with the fam. Nothing too crazy. Show you guys some dinner and some food and some more shots. And I'm pretty excited to try this place and I haven't had it yet, so looking forward to having this as the first restaurant meal we got here. It had the taco places free, and that's alright. A little quick, but this one was really nice. So.
Where's the orange? Oh. Elizabeth, you don't have to.
So we're getting some dinner now as we're setting up. Gordon's recording. Thanks, Gordon. I'm doing it for Dad's birthday, and this is our family.
Happy birthday on that.
There's Dad right there on the vlog.
The birthday boy.
Dad's today.
Octopus and shrimp and fish.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. I'm by the beach of Paradisus, and it is gorgeous. Damn. Look how blue this is. Incredible.
모르겠어 난 I can figure out 복잡한 내 마음 정리가 잘 안 돼. I'm waiting till I die so I never have to be alone. 내가 죽는다면 내 주머니 싹 다 비워줘. 가진 거 하나 없지 I got nothing. 모든 사둘 걸 내 이름 앞에. I'm too hard to love and that's my bad. 떠나가도 돼 but please be right back.
Today we are going to be eating at a pasta place called Forgot. I'll show you in a second. We're going to go eat this Italian restaurant, and then I think we're selling for my birthday with my second family. So let's go check it out. Okay.
You like it?
This one's like linguine and
No, he didn't.
my birthday, we're gonna get wasted. Wasted?
A few moments later.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night after night.
Monday's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I'll be loving you for 7 days a week. You love when I jump right in. All of me, I'm a foreign. Show you what devotion is. Deeper than the ocean is. Wind it back, I'll take it slow. Leave you with that afterglow. Show you what devotion is.
Good morning. So last night was tired. Yeah, so we got wasted last night in Cancun. We're finally going home. Packing right now, exhausted, and as you can tell, I'm still hungover. Overall, thanks for watching my video for Cancun. Well, anyways, thanks again. Please subscribe, follow one of these spots, and see you guys in the next one.